Moya is a hyper-realistic humanoid from the Shanghai-based robotics company DroidUp, designed to bridge the gap between advanced artificial intelligence and genuine emotional companion. Behind that silicone mask are 25 degrees of freedom, featuring tiny actuators that allow for micro-expressions like smiling, blinking, nodding, and eye contact. DroidUp also tucked high-definition cameras directly behind her pupils, which work alongside thermal sensors and a facial tracking system to read your emotions. If you look sad, she can detect the micro shifts in your facial muscles and respond with a comforting expression. Unlike typical robots that are essentially metal skeletons with covers, Moya features a simulated rib cage and lightweight lattice muscle materials, while her skin is designed to stay between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius. These layers mimic human fat and soft tissue, ensuring that even if you were to give her a hug or a firm handshake, the resistance feels biological. Moya's nervous system is powered by what DroidUp calls the Zhuoid cerebellar motor control model. This specialized processing unit acts like a human cerebellum, providing the processing power required for her to walk with 92% human-like accuracy. While her primary embodied AI processor manages high-level reasoning and conversation, the dedicated motor-controlled GPU cluster handles the micro-adjustments in her joints. Set to launch in late 2026, DroidUp has positioned her as a premium, institutional-grade companion with an expected price tag of approximately $173,000.